So hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix Facebook dating not showing matches, reason and fixes that work. Fix 1 is check your match filter. Open Facebook dating and tap the gear icon. Tap ideal match. Broaden preference for ages, distance and height to increase potential match option. Second fix is verify your account and eligibility. You must be at least 18-year-old. Facebook account must be active for a minimum of 30 days. Check account status through the help and support menu. Ensure your profile is not restricted before proceeding. Third fix is clear Facebook cache. In Android, navigate to setting on your device, select app from the menu, find and tap on Facebook, go to storage option, then tap on clear cache. In iPhone, navigate to setting on your iPhone, select journal, then tap on iPhone storage. Find and select Facebook from the list of apps. Tap on offload app to remove the app while keeping its data. Reinstall the Facebook app from the App Store. Fourth fix is enable location service. Open your phone's main setting, navigate to location, then ensure location is toggled on for the Facebook app. Fifth fix is update or install the app. Go to the Apple App Store or Google Play Store, search for the Facebook app. If an update is available, download and install it. If already updated, delete the Facebook app entirely. Reinstall the Facebook app to clear deeply rooted bugs. Sixth fix is report the issue to Facebook. Open the Facebook app, tap the menu icon in the bottom right corner, scroll down and tap help and support. Then select report a problem. Briefly explain that your matches are not showing and submit the ticket. Thanks for watching.